Hello everyone, my name is Maureen Joy Fampulme and I will be discussing about Noun1 no Noun2. Before tayo mag-start, keep in mind that the main idea is always at the end while the further restriction is at the beginning. I will explain this later in the video. First is Noun1 no Noun2. Noun1's Noun2. Nagbigay ako ng dalawang example kung saan yung particle no acts like the possessive. N1's N2. Example number 1 is Takeshi-san no denwa bango. In English, Takeshi's phone number. And the second example is Mary-san no hon or Mary's book. Ngayon, nung sinabi kong possessive, ibig sabihin, pinapossess ni N1 yung N2. Ang N2 natin sa unang examples is yung denwa bango. And ang N1 natin is si Takeshi-san. Meaning, yung denwa bango is pagmamayari siya ni Takeshi-san. Tapos, ang pangalawa is yung hon. And ang N1 natin dito sa second examples is yung Mary-san. Meaning, yung hon or yung libro is pagmamayari siya ni Mary-san. Dito natin ngayon i-apply si main idea and further restriction. Ngayon, ang main idea natin dito is yung denwa bango. Ito yung general. Pwede nating sabihin phone number. Pero, pag sinabi nating Takeshi's phone number, na-restrict na siya, diba? Kasi hindi siya basta-basta phone number lang, kundi phone number siya ni Takeshi-san. Yun yung further restriction. Next, sa example number 2, ang main idea natin is yung hon. Madaming libro. Pero, na-restrict siya ni N1, which is si Mary-san. Meaning, hindi siya basta libro lang, kundi libro siya ni Mary-san. Next is N1 no N2, where N1 directly modifies N2. The English for this is N2 of N1. The examples are Daigaku no Sensei, Nihongo no Gakosei. The third one is Nihon no Daigaku. Alright, isa-isahin natin. Daigaku no Sensei, a college professor. Or pag in-apply natin yung English na N2 of N1, magiging a professor of college. Ngayon, ang main idea natin dito is yung sensei. And yung further restriction natin dito is yung daigaku. Meaning, yung sensei, di ba main idea siya? Ibig sabihin nun, teacher, professor. Pero pag sinabi nating daigaku na sensei, hindi siya professor ng kung ano-ano, kundi professor siya ng college. Na-restrict na agad yung idea natin nung sinabi nating daigaku no sensei. The next example is Nihongo no Gakosei, which means a student of Japanese language. Our main idea for this example is Gakosei, meaning estudyante siya. Ngayon, na-restrict natin yung idea na yun by saying Nihongo no Gakosei, which means a student of Japanese language. The third example is Nihon no Daigaku, which means a college in Japan. Our main idea here is the Daigaku, which means a university or college. Na-restrict natin yung main idea na yun by saying Nihon no Daigaku. Hindi siya basta-basta Daigaku lang, kundi college siya na nasa Japan or a college in Japan. N1 no, N2. Pag nakita nyo tong pattern na to, ibig sabihin isa lang siyang noun. Hindi siya dalawang noun, kundi isang noun siya. So, this noun can be put wherever you can put a noun. In the example below, Noun1 wa, Noun2 des. Takeshi-san no, Oka-san wa, Koukou no, Sensei des. The English translation for this sample is, Takeshi's mother is a high school teacher. Our topic for this example is Takeshi's mother. And our why for this pattern is high school teacher. Sa example na ito, napakita natin yung dalawang function ng particle no. Yung no na nagpo-possess and no na nagmo-modify. Once again, I am Maureen Joy from Pullman. Thank you for watching this video.